Hey guys, welcome back to my French YouTube channel. So today's video is all about 10 daily French expressions that every native French speaks. So let's quickly jump into today's video. Stay till the end because I have a quiz question for you. So let's get started. Ça marche. Ça marche. So what does it mean? That works? Sounds good. Ça marche. Pas de souci. Pas de souci. No problem. Pas de souci. T'inquiète. T'inquiète. Don't worry. T'inquiète. T'inquiète. On y va? Shall we go? On y va? À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. See you later. C'est dingue. That's crazy. C'est dingue. Je suis crevé. Je suis crevé. I'm exhausted. Je suis crevé. Ça me va. It's fine with me. Ça me va. Ça me va. Répétez après moi. Ça marche. Pas de souci. T'inquiète. On y va. À tout à l'heure. C'est dingue. Je suis crevé. Ça me va. Laisse tomber. Forget it. Laisse tomber. Forget it. Laisse tomber. Et la dernière expression, j'en ai marre. J'en ai marre. Can you see below I've put question marks? I want you to write the meaning of j'en ai marre in the comments below. Find this out. What is j'en ai marre in French? Put it down in the comments below and I would love to see your answer. Keep practicing. I'll be back with another video. Meanwhile, drop in your topics on whichever topics you want me to make the videos and I would love to make one. Au revoir. See you in the next video.